So, let me tell you about what I actually do as a freelancer running my own digital marketing brand, DigiMark. I help small to medium-sized businesses grow online. That means SEO, content strategy, social media, and basically anything that gets them more visibility, traffic, and engagement. Over the past few years, I've worked with quite a few different clients. Each one is so different, but that's exactly why I love what I do. Take Doghouse Drones. They're a drone property surveyor, and I help them build a social media strategy from scratch. We created visuals, educational posts, even client testimonials. It paid off. Followers, engagement, and inquiries all went up. Then there's Traders Imperium, a Forex education company. I worked on SEO and social content for them, creating posts, infographics, and testimonials. The result? More awareness, more engagement, and way more leads. I also worked with CTI Academy, their training side. That was all about making trading education feel approachable online, breaking down strategies into content people actually want to read or watch. For Anzel Fortier, I optimized her LinkedIn profile, rewriting her summary, skills, and work experience to boost her personal brand. It helped her get more visibility and connect with the right people. KR Hair was a website SEO project. I dug into keywords, optimized their site, fixed technical SEO issues, and created blog content. The results were huge: a 40% increase in organic traffic, bounce rates down 30%, and 25% more inquiries. Rumyana Nyathi needed a landing page. I handled the content, layout, SEO, and calls to action. That boosted her rankings, engagement, and overall branding. Right now, I'm working with LED Box Frame, a custom wellness and decor brand. I manage their content, SEO, and social media, helping them reach more people on Instagram and TikTok. Then there's Lorem Therapy, a natural wellness brand. I create SEO content, product descriptions, and social posts to highlight the benefits of their supplements and oils. The Property Finders is another one. They're an international property consultancy, and I handle SEO and content for them. That means optimizing metadata, blogs, and headings, while keeping everything polished and professional. TroyFX is all about Forex trading education. I create scripts, videos, and blogs to simplify complex topics like trading psychology and backtesting, making them accessible for everyday people. And finally, Hardware for You, an online hardware store. I manage their e-commerce SEO and social media, optimizing product descriptions, and making everyday tools feel engaging and relatable online. So yeah, CW DigiMark is kind of like the invisible engine behind all these businesses. My job is to make sure they're not just online, but actually being seen.